is rolling out a brand new feature on their app called WhatsApp Voice Message Transcripts. This feature will allow you to transcribe voice notes into text without you listening to it. This is super amazing. Do you ever get a voice message at the worst time, like in a meeting or in a noisy place, and just wish you could just read it instead without listening to it? Well, that's about to change now, because you can just read the notes without listening to it with this new feature.
Wow, I'm so down. I can't wait to catch you up on everything that happened this weekend. Let's meet at our usual spot.
So right now, I'm about to tell you everything you need to know about this new feature of WhatsApp. WhatsApp transcription feature converts voice message into text, so you can just read it instead of listening to it. No more struggling to find headphones or replaying long audios to just catch details. This feature uses your phone on-device processing for privacy, meaning your messages are not sent to WhatsApp servers for transcription, okay? So all you need to do is just simply tap on transcribe button, and then you're going to get a message instantly transcribed. But then you will need to enable this feature on your settings, because according to WhatsApp, this feature is off by default. All you need to do is to go to your settings and go to chat, and then scroll down. You're going to see the transcription feature there, and then take it up from there. It's very simple. So one of the good things about this is that it's going to be available for both Android users and iOS. So it's so much of a good news. And currently this feature supports major languages like English, Portuguese, Spanish, and Russian for Android users. And for iOS, it supports more languages. It supports English, of course, it supports Spanish, French, German, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Portuguese, Russian, Turkish, Chinese, Arabic, and other ones. And according to WhatsApp again, other languages are going to be included in this in a few weeks, okay, after rolling it out for users in a few weeks. So remember, this feature is available for everybody to use no matter the language you speak, okay? But then the transcription part is only available for the language of the ones I mentioned above. Those languages I mentioned before or earlier, it's only available in those languages. And of course, according to WhatsApp, it's going to be rolled out for other languages to be used, okay? And as of now, it is only rolling out in phases, with beta testers already using it to gather feedback and refine their technology in selected countries like the US, UK, India, and other parts of Europe, okay? And if you're in WhatsApp beta tester program, of course, you already have this feature on your phone. And of course, if you want to know how you can join WhatsApp beta tester program, my next video is going to be on that. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you get notified when I make that video next, okay? So these voice message transcripts are available on iOS with iPhone 13 and above, and Android phones that support advanced speech recognitions. So if you're part of WhatsApp beta tester program, of course, you might already have the access to this feature by now. For me personally, I would say that this feature is a game changer for accessibility, making WhatsApp more user-friendly for people with, of course, hearing impairments. It also saves time, no more awkwardly playing messages in the public or guessing what's been said or not. To get this feature on your WhatsApp, you need to update your WhatsApp, okay? When you update your WhatsApp, automatically it's going to be on your phone. But like I said earlier, the feature is not just going to be out on your phone if you don't enable it on your phone. Of course, you have to go through your settings and go to your chat and scroll down and see the feature, and then enable it on your phone to start using. And of course, to get early access to all these features, you need to join WhatsApp beta tester program to have an early access. So what do you think about this new feature? Will it make life easier for you? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below, and don't forget to share this video with someone who always sends long voice notes. And then stay tuned for more amazing content on this platform. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing content.